Hi guys, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and I am here today to start my sugar cookie series. And I know I did a few already for springtime, but today I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different cookies that I actually made all in the same day, but I'm going to break them up into a few different videos because I know for myself I don't want to go searching through the video to find the cookie that I would like to make. So I hope you enjoy this series. Today we are going to be making our Garden Glam whimsical cookie. So let's get piping.
Growing up, butterflies were my absolute favorite shape, and I love to include them in everything. I think even my Sweet 16 cake had a bunch of butterflies all over it. And at my wedding, we also had a bunch of butterflies. I am growing out of it just a little bit, but I still think it is such a beautiful shape, and you can do so much with it. Right now, we are going to put in our flood icing after we did our piping. Don't worry about it if you didn't pipe that perfectly, because a lot of this is going to get covered up. We're going to be using relatively thick icing on top for our details, so it's super important that your cookie is fully dry. You can even wait overnight or stick it in the dehydrator quickly. Here I am painting on a layer of non-toxic gold luster dust with vodka. I thought about a few different ways that I could have done this. I think you could also airbrush some different colors on the background and that would look really cool. I wanted this to look pretty whimsical and very beautiful, so I thought the gold would add that extra zing to it. This edible gold luster dust from Truly Madly Plastics is amazing, but it is a little bit on the pricier side, so you do want to use it sparingly. I'm using a technique here that I also love to use on cakes with buttercream as well. You dot the icing and then you just use a very tiny spatula to brush everything through. I can pipe fairly quickly now, but even for myself, I'm just piping one dot at a time and swiping it through. When I did more than one dot, I found that the icing got too dry too quickly. I've been asked this a few times by friends and family, and I don't draw out the exact design. I have something in my head, but for the most part, I just kind of let my creativity flow, and I have a type of theme in my head, and that's about it. If you've watched any of my other butterfly sugar cookie tutorials, you'll notice that I always do the body last, and that's because I really want that body to pop out above the wings, just like for a real butterfly. Thank you so much if you made it all the way to the end of the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you want to be part of the Sweetie fam. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, which right now is daily at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye!